was that? Earlier this year, correct? Yes. And we sang for the anniversary, second anniversary of course, you know, the horrible tragedy, the wildfires that had happened there. But the community is growing, it is healing, it is joining together, as our Hawaiian communities always do, and uplifting each other and being very supportive. So we have that to be thankful for sure. Yeah, mahalo, let's clap for them. And we recorded this song a few albums ago. We have how many albums, Nalini? 20 something? 24. So it was a few ago. 41 years, that's a long time. So I can't remember which one it was on. But we did record this song, and it was a favorite of ours, written by Auntie Ermengarde Luli and for her beautiful home there at Puamana in Lahaina. So we're going to have our lovely ladies join us once again and feature Angie on Puamana. So as we're going along,